What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping by my little channel here. This is my third channel, Wristwatch Addiction, and that's Speed 3 Guy, respectively. But this channel is a little bit of everything else. Mountain bikes, road bikes, movies, pretty much whatever you want to see. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. Today we're going to talk cameras, action cams to be specific, and Vivitar Capture Cam from Walmart, $69. To be even more specific. I picked this thing up on a whim. I've used it a little. You might have seen a peek of some of the footage in some of the mountain bike videos I've done lately. It doesn't hold up very well there, but there is a few places that this thing shines. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to unbox this or unpackage this, see what you get, and we're going to see where it shines. And if that sounds good to you, stick around. We'll be right back because I now have an intro. Finally put one together. Okay, so this is everything that came in this case with the Vivitar Capture Cam. I want to say action camera, but it's called a capture cam. So they say it has a gimbal stabilizer. This gimbal's not awesome, and we'll get into that. But it does have places where it shines. But going over, you have the camera itself. It's a 3-button module. You have a button over here that controls your Wi-Fi. Then you have your charging port, your on-off, and start-stop, and your mode select. And also this one does front and rear facing camera. If I turn this guy on, I'll show you. Oop, hit the wrong button. There we go. So turned it on. We have the Vivitar logo, and then we have the video footage, and you have how much time you have on your micro SD, the fact you have a micro SD in, and that your microphone is working. You have the amount of power in your battery, which is a removable battery. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you have elapsed time on video. I have it at 4K at 30 foot per second. You can select a number of different things. We're not gonna really go over that today. We're gonna go over what you get in it and how it looks. If you hold this button down, the one to my right, it turns this screen off and turns this screen on. You can see me right here. How are you doing? And if we do the same thing, we'll flip it back around. All the information on the back screen is also on the front screen. And then when we get over to here, this button, if you hold it down, it will send the Wi-Fi signal to your phone so you can run it off your phone. To get out of that, you just hit this button here. I'm going to turn the button off, and we're going to take a look down here. This is where your removable battery will go. There we go. Very simple battery. One of the reasons I picked it up was because it has a rechargeable battery. I thought that would be really cool. Having said that, I cannot find a secondary battery for sale yet. So I'm still looking. If anybody knows where I can find a Vivitar battery for the action camera, put it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. It does not have any built-in mount like the new GoPros. This is like an older GoPro. You use a frame. Frame is included with it. You also have the frame that it's pictured with, or in the package with, already in your waterproof frame here. They supply you with a shorter thread for this one and other pieces as well. So there's that. Then you have this extension, and you have a bike mount. I have an ONN accessory kit that has one of these bike mounts, and it did not come with a rubber inside, so this one's probably going to be a little more shock resistant, which is really nice. Its own built-in mount, 2-screw to just lock it into your stem or your handlebar on bikes, motorcycles. Then you have this adhesive mount for like automotive use, or putting on a tripod with your threaded piece there for tripod use. Of course, your charging cable fits right into the side. There we go. Fits right in just like that. Super simple. A couple of pieces like a foam adhesive, as well as some thin pieces of adhesive, as well as these straps, these lock straps. You have two of those, and then you have these little Velcro lock straps. To have all of this stuff and the camera, you would expect the camera to be kind of complete crap, if I'm being honest, with all this stuff. But it does shine in some places. It is complete crap in a few places. And if you've watched any mountain bike videos in the last probably 2 uploads, you'll have seen a little sneak peek of some of the mountain bike footage of the Vivitar Capture Cam. I think this would work really well on like fire roads, gravel biking, road cycling, and then using it as a dash cam. I do rallies, off-road rallies, back-road rallies. I should say not off-road, but back-road rallies and autocross. I think it would work really well for stuff like that, automotive use. But take a look at how using some of this stuff looks in real world.